in this video we will see how to change profile icon in your Outlook. So guys, for changing the profile icon, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all you click on your profile icon. Here you see, so currently it show my default image, so just click here and go to my profile. After choosing my profile, it redirect you to the your info section. Here you see the option of personalize your account with photo. Your profile photo will appear on the app and the device, so simply click on add photos. So here is the drop zone, so add a photo. Okay, after that you go to your local machine and find your photo. So currently I'm put any random image, so like I am putting this image of my channel, so just go here and save it. So this is a simple way that you can done. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day.